Now I will show you how to delete data from the database. In order to delete any particular data from the database, not all the data, only a particular data, a particular row, you can just use like this, delete from table where this, okay, where this column equal to some values. For example, I am going to delete from the students table a particular email or city. So I can just write like this. So this is the example. So I am going to copy this on this query, and after copying this I am going here I am going to put it here. So delete from students where I am going to delete on student where email is this. So here I am going to give the email, or you can also give the ID where ID equal to this. I am going to my table. Here I created another table, that is teachers table. So I have two tables. I am going to the teachers table now, and from here, for example, I will delete the teacher where this one will be deleted. So here instead of students I give here teachers where email equal to what? Email equal to this one, Brent. Okay. So if now I run the query, what will happen? If I now run this, and if I refresh, you see that 2 will be deleted. So you see that 2 is not here. That means when I run the query, then the particular data has been deleted from here. So this is actually to delete a particular data. Now I am going to delete all the data. If you want, you can easily delete all data from the table. So in this case, just omit the where clause, just remove it and write it execute. So this will delete all the data from the teachers. Table will not be deleted, on the data will be deleted. Okay. Another one is truncate table name. In this way you can also delete all the data. That means delete from teachers or truncate table teachers. Okay. So both the things will delete the data from the database. But here you see that truncate is faster than delete because it removes the data by deallocating the data pages instead of deleting the row one by one. So in the first process, that means truncate table is a bit faster than delete. But be careful when you will use the truncate table, because if you truncate a table, there will be no undo option. But if you use the delete from, you can undo this thing. Now I am going to run the truncate table and let's check it. So it will delete all the data from the database. That means if I run, you will see the table will be empty. So now refresh it. Now refresh this. You will see that the table is empty. So I hope you have understood. And if you want to delete table, you just use this command, that is drop table. Okay. So here in this query, just call drop table teachers. What will happen? Now I am going here. I am going to select the database. You see that two tables are here, students and teachers. Now if I run this query, table is deleted. Now refresh it. You will see that there is only one table will show here. You see that only students is showing here. So the teachers table has been deleted. I hope you have understood how to work with the delete in PHP.